The high line where we will be rigging is on the tail end of the remarks, on the White Creek side. The length of the line is pretty much in comparison to the rugby field, which is about 100 meters.
Highlining means so much more than just walking a line.
I try to go out to the high line and just try to clear that thought process and try not to let it affect me. But there are days, yeah, where I find it's quite hard to block out certain aspects of your everyday life.
This community is so diverse and we do so many different things, but highlining unifies us.